Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to install Notepad++ on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS using two super easy methods. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open your Ubuntu software app. You can find it on your dock or search for it in Activities. Once it's open, go to the search bar at the top and type Notepad++. You should see Notepad++ snap package appear in the results. Click on it. Now you can just hit the install button, enter your password when prompted, and Ubuntu will download and install everything automatically. If you prefer using the terminal, this is the fastest method. Open your terminal and run the following command. This will automatically download and install the official snap package of Notepad++, including the Wine environment required to run it. Once it's done, simply search for Notepad++ in your app menu and launch it. Keep in mind, this version runs using Wine through Snap, but it works great for most users. And that's it. You now have Notepad++ running on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS using either the software store or the terminal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on more Linux apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.